morning guys, GamerDV100 here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing Game Over LED lights. Now, I'm sorry that I haven't been that much active on YouTube. Middle school has been becoming a lot of work, and the office has recently been done getting cleaned up. I'll just show you. So yeah, the shelf is now back there. There's some stuff there, and the bed is now clean, so I don't need to blur it out anymore. But yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this today. Let's get to it. So, just like the Switch and some other consoles, it's like a tab. It's like a tab that you open it with. Yeah, you open it like a tab. Oh my god, why is this so hard to open? Alright, here we go. Alright. Oh. What's wrong with the sides? Oh, it's like this. I'll let you guys see it. Okay, so it looks like we have a manual. Oh, I accidentally ripped it. Rip paper. I might need this, but as a lot of people say, no one needs instructions. Okay, we got a cable. We'll definitely need this. Okay, it's sound reactive. I never knew that. Why micro USB? Why can't it be USB-C? Okay, so now we got the real thing. Oh, it's facing me. I'm sorry. Alright, this box can go. Oh, that was loud. Okay, we got more cardboard. That can go also. So now here is the moment we've been waiting for. It's the Game Over RGB light or LED light. Alright, let's rattle it out of this plastic. Alright, so it has an A and B button on the back and micro USB, just like the box said. Should I show you look at the box? Where did I put it? We got Game Over lights. I'll probably put it at the shelf where you guys can see it. In my backdrop of most of my gaming videos, or like on the desk up there. I'll put it like back there where you can see it, or like in the closet up there, or on that corner. But yeah, we got our Game Over thing. It's actually lighter and smaller than I expected. Looks like this is metal. Okay. It also has like square designs. Yeah, I should actually look at the manual. I threw it away again. Here. Okay, so yeah, as I threw it away, what does this say? Oh yeah, you have to plug it in. Just get the cable out of here. God, I hate when they have the twisty ties that are so hard to untangle. But yeah, once you get it out, it's not so bad. So in unboxing with GamerDV100, we have a micro USB cable. That's really thin, by the way. It's connected with the micro USB. Focus. Okay, it's not focusing. And then we have a USB to Lightning micro USB cable. I can't even do the T pose, and this is not completely stretched out, so this is probably longer than 3.5 feet. My educated guess. So yeah, is there anything else in the box? Nope, there's nothing else. Guess we're gonna have to look at the instructions. So, step 1, we have to plug it in. Okay. Let us. Alright, we have to plug it in. Where's the micro USB thing? Alright, here we go. So yeah, the micro USB part's connected. Now I need the USB part. I'll borrow the outlet from the PlayStation Classic. That was the halftime show of season 1 through 2. So yeah. Folks, I'll be right back. So yeah. Okay, yeah, this is not long enough. This isn't long enough to reach the other part. This isn't long enough to reach it. The cable. Jeez. Life is so unfair. Oh snap. No, please. Okay, it's plugged in. It's on. Okay, I plugged it in. What next? Oh, it just flashed. It just flashed. I mean, did you see that? Okay, you guys didn't see that, but I saw it. Okay, what's next? Alright, we use A to power it on. Oh! It's red. It's changing. Now it's yellow. That's so cool. Okay, wait, it's changing again? Now it's green. What the hell, dude? This is so cool. Now it's blue. Okay, you guys can see the color phase. Okay, now it's pink, now it's purple, or pink, whatever. Dude, that's cool. I don't feel anything different. It's just the lights. So, it's color phasing. So, and it's music reactive. But what is B? Oh, is B to turn it off? Yeah, B is to turn it off, and A is to power it on. That's sick. Okay, so let me actually show you guys something. I don't think the cable of the camera. This is a C922 Pro Stream webcam, so it needs to be connected with the USB to my laptop, which is recording there. It's like a video inside a video inside a video inside a video. Now that you look at it. Noah 750 Gamer just walked in. I was just unboxing Game Over lights. You like them? Yeah, I think he likes them. And your hair's a mess. You better go in the bathroom and clean it up. Yeah, welcome to another unboxing video. Okay, now it's green. Alright, so let's unravel the cable from that side.
Does this even light up when you come?
It's color phasing, so it changes.
What about this one?
That one just stays white, as you can see. So yeah, I'm recording a video inside a video inside a video inside a video inside. It just goes on for infinite. So yeah, behind that beanbag, there's an outlet, and I'm planning to have it like there, next to the D I made last year. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So now the Game Over thing will be hanging on that shelf from now on. From this day on, you'll be seeing Game Over RGB lights. Let's turn all the lights off upstairs so we can see how it looks in the dark. Okay, we turn the light off. That's still bright. The morning sunshine is too bright. It's not working. But it's still too bright in here. But yeah, you can see it a little bit better. Alright, it's green. So let's test this on our gaming backdrop style, the way you see in the background. I'll be right back again. Okay guys, we're now in the gaming style backdrop thing. So like, I do gaming videos, matter of fact like this, but you can't really see the game over lights. But like this, it's more big, and you can see the game over lights in the shelf. I mean, my head's blocking it, sorry for my big head. But yeah, your hair's a mess, fixed in the bathroom. But yeah, these instructions weren't that useless after all. It says their music things, their music phasing, and music reactive. How do you like turn on the music?
See?
Ay. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Just try B.
No, B turns it off. Press A. There we go. So yeah, it says it's music reactive. Is there a way to turn the volume up? Can you focus, please? Focus! It says it's music reactive. Okay, that's not gonna focus. Why is it not focusing? So it's a micro USB port. That's probably why. That's probably the reason why. But yeah, micro USB input. A is to turn it on. B is to turn it off. It's color phasing and music reactive. But there's no music. There's no music from that thing. Hang on, is there any more buttons? I'll play it where you guys can like see, matter of fact, here. Alright. You guys can see the lights better there. What are you doing? Alright. What if we press A again? Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. The truth is, this is not music reactive. So yeah. When it gets nighttime, I'll post. When it gets darker and later in the day, I'll post some pictures of the game over RGB lights or LED lights. Why do I keep saying RGB? So I'll post some of those LED light pictures on Instagram, so you guys can see it in the dark. So make sure to follow my Instagram, link in the description, and donate to my Patreon, TikTok, and yeah. You can't donate to my TikTok, but you can follow and like my TikTok videos, and watch out for the Caden cringe moments. Yeah. I'm also cringing myself. So yeah, that's me, GamerDV100, and goodbye. Have a great day, and have a happy Thanksgiving.